Hello everybody, this is a quick tutorial on how to buy the cryptocurrency Bittorrent. For those who doesn't know what Bittorrent is, they are a software application that allows you to download pretty much anything that has any type of content as long as it's been uploaded to a torrent server. So that's basically what Bittorrent is, and I will show you how to buy their cryptocurrency. So in order to do so, you'll need the application called Voyager. Link is in the description, and you would need to verify your information. I believe this is only for the United States because they asked me for the social security number. So unfortunately, if you're in the international area, then you won't be able to use that. But this will allow you to buy the cryptocurrency the easiest method. So when you first set up your account, it's going to ask you to deposit money in United States currency, and the minimum is $10. So I'll go ahead and type in $10 just for the sake of this video. Hit confirm, and as you can see, it basically is processing. So I've done this 3 times just so that way I can show you guys how to do this, just to make sure that I know how to do this correctly. So once you deposit your money, you'll want to type in BitTorrent or BTT at the top right corner, such as that, and then you want to click on their cryptocurrency, and then you would want to click buy BTT, and then you just type in the amount of money that you want to put in. I put in $10, and you just slide to buy BTT like that, and that's actually how you do it. So now, as you can see, it should show in just a moment because it buys in real market time. And now, as you can see, I now have the 1400 BTT that I just purchased, and it was as simple as that. If you guys have any questions or concerns on how to buy this cryptocurrency, please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section below. And please like and subscribe to this channel if you found this video to be helpful. Thank you, and you have a nice rest of your day.